The Miata is iconic for being the best handling car, but it's super slow. So I took the matter into my own hands and gave the Miata more power. We're gonna take my slow Miata and turn it into a street beast. The Miata has been slow for too long, so it's time to take this 90 horsepower into 100. Yeah, that's still slow. Big thanks to Yonaka Motorsports for sponsoring this video. This thing still does have the stock header and stock cat on it, so I'm hoping this should be simple. This is the exhaust setup we're gonna be running. A mid pipe from the cat all the way back to the axle back, muffler, and out the exit. Pretty simple setup. It should be easy. Well, I hope. You know me, I mean, everything always has to go wrong with me for some reason. The previous owner tried to do a custom muffler delete setup, and yeah, it doesn't sound too good. Sorry, neighbor. But before we put the new exhaust on, we have to take the old exhaust first. I don't know if there's a cat originally here or resonator, but yeah, I mean, that's deleted too, so that's probably another reason why it sounds bad. That's loose now. Everything was going smoothly, however, there was one big problem. One of the exhaust hangers was welded on, so I had to use the trusty old grinder. This project has left me no other choice. Since we're putting the new exhaust on, we're gonna have to cut this and somehow fit the new one on. God damn, it stinks. Oh. Okay, we got it. And I just completely cut off this hanger. Now, to put the new one on, I don't know how we're gonna do that. We might need to go to a shop to get the hangers welded on because previous owners decided just to cut those off. It's actually a lot bigger too. So you can see right here, this is about 2.5. This is about like probably 1.5. The bigger, the better, and more exhaust flow, which means more power. Something I realized also that I have to reuse this test pipe because I measured this mid pipe and this one, and they're actually the same. I mean, that's better than doing some cutting. After removing the test pipe from the old exhaust, it was time to finally attach it to the new one and put everything together. Putting it on the mid pipe was way easier than actually taking the exhaust off. Let's put this in. Hopefully it doesn't leak. Why is there random zip tie here? Sometimes I question what happens on this car. I'm excited for this. Finally got this test pipe and this mid pipe on. Next, we're gonna take this muffler and we are gonna attach it right here. I think I got dirt in my eye. After everything was on, I needed to head to the store to get a rubber grum. I'm pretty sure that thing will melt off, I'm not gonna lie. And as of for the other exhaust hanger, I might be able to get away with just one. Moment of truth, let's start this thing up here for the first time. Okay. Hopefully the exhaust doesn't fall off. I hope you guys can hear that on camera, man. It sounds way better than that raspy custom muffler. All right, we just got the part. It's pretty sturdy on there. So obviously they fix the saggy bumper, but for now, I think one will be enough. Finally, the exhaust was done, so I went to go visit my friend to see what he thinks. Little tip on it. Oh yeah, what do you think of a little tip? It's a... It looks better than it did. Yeah, and I fixed it to where I probably shouldn't touch it actually.
Sounds like a Honda.
sounds like a Honda, yeah. It's not too bad. It actually does feel a little bit more power.
Does
you know
it?
why? Because the whole exhaust, the stock one is like 1.5. All right, you ready to feel this 100 horsepower, cameraman?
Yep.
Hold on, a little downshift. Oh! Hold on. Okay, that's enough.
Yeah.
Well, what's your first impressions?
Didn't sound bad.
Yeah, not bad for a 4-bang wank. Tell me if you feel a little bit of horsepower in your butt dyno.
Why isn't the airbag?
Oh, it's not connected to clock spring. Yeah.
Ready?
Yep.
I don't want to hit it too hard.
Yeah, no, I got you. Okay, you cut that?
It feels quicker.
Yeah, I think that 2.5 helps a little bit.
Yeah.
It revs a little bit quicker. That's why I was saying that was like on the way here.
Yeah. Freed up some horsepowers. You don't have.
Oh yeah, I don't have the. It was trying to pull down the sun visor. Weight reduction, I guess.
Yeah, I don't think they weigh that much.
Yeah. We're out here in Mexico. We're gonna hurry and do this pull real quick before Mexico police show up. Feels like a go-kart. Listen to downshift. Yo. Okay, I know this car ain't fast, but it definitely gives the smile per gallon. Let's go. 50, 3, 2, 1, go. Not gonna lie, guys, I think my alignment is messed up.